what are you riding at El Rollo? I said, I don't have a bike. And they were like, do you want to ride an Indian? I was like, sure I do. So, but I expected it to be the Hooligan bike. I never expected it to be this amazing, beautiful FTR750. So I'm the luckiest guy today because really unexpected. I wasn't even expecting to ride. And then the fact that I'm going to ride and then ride a factory bike, I can't believe it. I'm slightly nervous. I can barely talk. I'm shaking, it was so much fun. Like, I didn't expect the bike to be as fast or as smooth, light, easy to... Oh, I love it. I want one.